In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Canva like a pro. If you're creating social posts, presentations, or quick promo videos, a subtle text animation can instantly make your design feel more polished and engaging. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along and get results fast. Start by selecting the text you want to animate. Click directly on the text box in your canvas so you see the bounding box around it. If your text is part of a larger group, you may need to click once to select the group and then click again to target just the text box. This matters because Canva only shows text animation controls when the text itself is selected. A quick tip here. If you plan to animate headlines differently from subheadings, place them in separate text boxes. That way, each element can have its own animation style without affecting the others. With your text selected, look for the animate option in the top toolbar. If it doesn't appear, double-check that you're not in typing mode inside the text. Click outside, then click the text box again to select it. The Animate panel is where the magic happens. You'll see options tailored for text, and in many designs you'll also notice page-level animations. For now, focus on the text animations so you can control how your words enter, move, or emphasize themselves on screen. Now, choose the animation that matches your message. Hover over an effect like typewriter, rise, wipe, or breathe to see an instant preview on your canvas. Click to apply the one you like. Consider the tone of your content. A clean slide or typewriter effect often suits informative videos, while a more dynamic pop or stomp can work for bold announcements. Keep readability front and center. If the movement is too busy, viewers may miss your message. After selecting an animation, look for customization options that appear, such as direction, speed, or intensity. Dial the speed down for a smoother, more professional feel, or change the direction to guide the viewer's eye in a way that complements your layout. If you see a delay or letter-by-letter toggle, use it to fine-tune timing so multiple text elements don't compete for attention. Finally, scrub the timeline or play your design preview to make sure everything feels cohesive. Aim for consistency. Reusing one or two animation styles across your project is usually better than mixing many different ones. When it looks clean, legible, and on-brand, you've nailed it. That's all you need to animate text in Canva like a pro.